To take a screenshot, you want to make sure that you're on the page you want to take a screenshot of, then left click on your extension and you'll see you'll need to be on the Capture tab, and then you have all these options. We're going to go over each one of these. Selected area, when you choose this option, brings up a little plus sign where you can now put this in the upper corner of where you want to record, left click, drag the area you want to capture, and let go. Then you click on the Capture button, and we'll go over this next section after we cover each of the screenshot options. The next option is visible part of page or full page. Let's look at the difference between these two. Visible part of page is only going to capture what's within the visible part of the browser window. Notice I can't scroll down and see the entire website with this. Now let's choose the option to capture the full page. With this, it is going to capture, however long your page is, the entire thing. So now when you send this screenshot to someone, they can scroll down and they can see the entire website that you captured. The other option is to capture visible part after delay. This might be an option you want to use when you need to show somebody something that does not stay up on the page unless you choose this option. For example, if I go here to the Insert menu because I want to show you how to choose an image, and I want you to see this whole window, when I go up to Awesome Screenshot, notice how it went away. However, if I choose Visible Part After Delay, I'm going to select this, I get a countdown. You can left click and move your countdown around too. Now when I click on Insert, I captured this entire window that I wanted you to see. So let's go and look at the other options. The entire screen and app window. If you want to capture your tabs across the top and your favorites bar and the Omnibox URL, that's when you choose capture the entire screen and app window. So when we choose this option, if you have more than one screen open, it'll ask you which one do you want to choose. Choose the screen that you want, and then you click on the Share button. This now will capture, notice you see my tabs across the top, the Omnibox, all of my favorites, and the entire screen. The final option you have is to annotate local and clipboard image. This is great if you have a picture on your desktop or in your drive and you want to add annotations to it. Those are the different options for taking your screenshot. The next video will go over how you can use the annotation features.